Today we're unboxing something very special, an all-new generation of Oase Aquamax Eco Premium Filter Pump. The Eco Premium line is already very popular with aficionados, who value the impressive economy and hallmark safety that's built into all Oase pumps. Aquamax pumps have always been exceptionally economical to run, utilizing a few hundred watts to move many thousands of gallons per hour. As far as safety, a proprietary grounding plate built into every Oase pump carries stray electrical current from any source safely to ground. The Aquamax line are dedicated water garden pumps designed to sit in the bottom of the pond. There, they capture and deliver fish waste, excess food, and plant debris up to 11 millimeters, almost a half-inch in diameter, directly to a filter without clogging, even when the pump seems covered with leaves and debris. The Eco Premium line was already the premier smart pump in its class. The proprietary Oase Environmental Function Control protects pumps against running dry in low water or when clogged. The EFC shuts the pump down until the situation is corrected and the pump is unplugged and replugged to reset it. Built-in seasonal flow control lowers both flow and electrical consumption automatically as temperatures and oxygen demand drop. Aquamax pumps are also designed to accommodate freezing down to minus 20 degrees centigrade, that's -4 Fahrenheit, without damage. Now the Eco Premium line has been upgraded with Pulse 6 technology. Let's take a look at the box. Every side is packed with information, specifications, curves for all 4 pumps in the series, and a schematic line diagram pointing out its physical features. Inside, there's a manual with safety and warranty information, and a sheet about the Oase control system. More about that later. There are 3 fitting packs. One with stepped barbed unions that swivel to accommodate inch, inch and a quarter, and inch and a half kink-free hose, an advantage when the pump is set on a sloped bottom. There's a 2-inch barbed union for larger kink-free tubing, and one of Oase's very versatile inch and a half or 2-inch single union fittings, included with many other Aquamax pumps and Oase pond filters. This fitting allows for installation with either inch and a half Schedule 40 PVC, solvent welded into the union, or 2-inch PVC with an optional 2-inch PVC coupling around the union. At first glance, the pump looks just like the generation before. Eco Premium pumps take water in either through the cage or through a flow-adjustable second inlet that can be attached to a skimmer or satellite debris pickup. A slide gate with click stops controls the amount of flow through the gate, from no flow at 0 to full flow through the gate at setting 4. The pump's outlet faces sideways so both the pump and the plumbing to the filter can sit flat on the bottom. The cage has openings on all sides, ensuring good flow into the pump and great debris collection all the way around. The deep ribs of the cage keep leaves from blocking the flow of water into the protected inlets. There is one important enhancement that's barely visible with the cage on. This Eco Premium can connect to the Oase control system. Users can monitor and control not only pumps, but filters and lighting on their favorite mobile device via the Oase Control app. Opening the cage reveals the anatomy behind the magic. If it's blue, it moves. Open the 4 blue latches to remove the top half of the cage. The next blue you'll see is the small switch that toggles seasonal flow control, which slows the flow from the pump automatically as temperature and consequently aeration demand drop. Everything is removable: the slide gate, the strap, even the pump bracket itself, which can be dismounted from the cage and used in external applications. To remove the strap, push down on the top to release one side, then slip a finger between the pump and the strap to remove the other. Removing the 2 screws that hold the bracket in the cage bottom will allow you to mount the pump for external inline applications. Just remember to put the little feet on. Removing 4 screws in the volute allows access to the rotor, a strong magnet that requires care to remove and replace. Its plastic coating protects it from corrosion and inhibits mineral buildup, a big advantage with hard water. The rotor is where Pulse 6 comes in. Imagine the rotor as a playground carousel, with a parent and child on either side of the spinning platform. The parents pull and push as each child passes, 2 impulses per rotation with a pause between them. Now imagine 4 parents pulling and pushing 6 kids as each passes a parent. The wheel spins up way faster, with less effort, no coasting between impulses, and it's easier to keep at speed. Instead of 2 windings and 2 magnets, the Pulse 6 has 6 windings and 4 extra strong magnets, providing greater efficiency and extremely smooth operation, decreasing wear on the bearings, increasing pump lifespan, and permanently reducing your ongoing energy costs. The 4 pumps in the line, 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500, are more powerful, more economical, and even quieter than their near-silent predecessors. Digital flow control and regulation of pump speed is yet another innovation to the Eco Premium line. To connect the pump to the optional Oase control system, you will need either the Eco Control module or an Oase Garden Cloud controller. The Eco Control is a standalone device that is used to control the pumps if you don't wish to connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The optional Oase control system allows remote control and monitoring of not just the pump, but connected filters and lights as well, via Wi-Fi on your mobile device. There are 2 ways to connect the pump to Oase control, depending on where the pump sits in the cable daisy chain of up to 10 connected devices. The single inlet at the rear of the pump can simply be connected to a cable from another device if the pump can be the last device in the chain. The pump has a built-in end resistor to tell the controller that it's the last device in the chain, no other connection needed. However, if the pump has to connect in the middle of the chain, you'll need a Y adapter to provide a place for the second cable out of the pump to the next device. And the last device in the chain will require an end resistor. Once cabled into the system, download the Oase Control app from the App Store or Play Store, and off you go. This is no gimmick. This is high-tech, made in Germany, home of precise and reliable engineering at a particularly high level of quality. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the new Aquamax Eco Premium line of pumps with Pulse 6 technology, but we're afraid to ask. Check out the installation and maintenance videos for more information on these cutting-edge pumps. You'll find these videos and many more on our YouTube channel and website. Don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. See you in the next video.